In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a gold trade, analyze the market, set your stop loss and take profit, and manage your risk properly using Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials inside the dashboard. Hover on the left side panel. Click the Trading tab. There is a drop-down menu. I want you to click the My Accounts and select the account that you wanted to trade gold with. You can use a real or a demo account, but we highly suggest you use a demo account so you're not going to risk your real money or your funds. So choose the demo account that you wanted to trade or practice to. In my case, I'm choosing the first option. Click the trade button. You need to choose the trading platform. You can use an Exness terminal, which will trade directly from your browser. But if you want to use the MetaTrader 5, you need to download and install the Meta 5 platform on your computer. I'm going to choose the first option. Here in the Exness trading terminal, we need to find the gold trading pair. Just click the plus button. Go to the search and search for the symbol. Let's say type in gold and you will have multiple options. On Exness, gold is usually listed as XAU/USD. This represents gold traded against the US dollar. Click on it. And then once you've done that, you need to go to the Market Watch, which can be found on the right side corner. Now, before placing a trade, it's important to understand what you are looking at. Gold prices move based on the US dollar strength, interest rates, inflation news, and geopolitical events, and market sentiments. Now, many traders use technical analysis to identify trends and possible entry points. Now on the right side corner, you will see several important settings. Number one is going to be the volume. This controls your lot size. For example, let's say we're going to put in 1,000. Beginners should start small to manage risk properly. The stop loss automatically closes your trade if the market moves against you. For example, let's say I'm going to put an automatic stop loss. And of course, the take profit automatically secures profit once your target is reached. Once you confirm the trade, your position will appear in the Trade tab at the bottom. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to trade gold on Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.